Another specimen for my collection.
Cast aside your deathstruments! I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
Another step forward on my path.
You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase. Do you have to leave already? So, how about this weather where... Oh, you're leaving. That's good. When we are finished, may I dissect you for study?
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist... You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use. I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh. I think that suits you beautifully.
I win! Oh, we haven't started yet? But the Bazaar will go dark without me!
I hope that brat Quixel was watching.
Make deals, not war. I suppose you'll go buy a weapon instead.
Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both.
Please, you don't want to do this. Man, so weak. Can't wait to be rid of you.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. You leave it behind, someone else finds it. It all... Delightful to see you, darling. I certainly don't have a use for it. Quark
Fable gave that to me. On our first date.
No, I am not a dervish. That's offensive. You fight like a dervish without honor.
You say old. They don't make these like they used to. Start shoppers buy vintage. You know, our items have lived. They have stories.
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
You remind me of someone I fought last century.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jamonians. I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you. I got my scars in the war. How about I help you get yours? Back in my day, we won our fights with nothing but grit.
After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again. See that mountain? That's Paul. He might have what you need.
If you knew my true purpose, you would stand aside.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
Size dilutes the brain. Mine is highly concentrated. Remember, diamonds come in small boxes.
Man or beast. With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
You look like a hardy one. Need some work? That's the spirit! Hey, you're a natural at this.
Please, I do not understand what I am. Ah, I see now. You are defending yourself.
In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain.
Why fight when we can feast? Well, I ordered the dish. Guess I have to eat it.
I pay well for mid-sized things. Reasonable-sized things. Oh, I didn't want to sell that anyway.
Hi, I'm Quixel, Master Merchant, or I guess I made a sale. Fine, here's some gold. I only sell things so I can buy things. Huge things!
If you want grim and stoic, you came to the wrong Sphinxian. I believe in joy. We made progress today. I'm proud of you.
So many centuries and torment. Thank you.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Discounts for peace! You're listening to your needs.
I seek the ultimate secret. Will you get me any closer?
My people believe in peace. Boring! I believed in myself and I still lost.
People first, profit 10th. Maybe I should lower my price.
Lithic markets, just trade boulders. This is more fun.
Closer and closer. I can hear my sister's laughter.
Soon I think you will be ready for Adira's training.
Not all my subjects survive my experiments.
Enter Purchase Lead. Enter Purchase Lead! Look at this! You're so fast now!
I will fight you, but only so that I can study you.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
I can feel our energies resonating. Your aura guided me to what you needed.
Disgusting creatures.
in this resort isn't how I imagined my retirement. But at least I'm near Sylvia. Now go out there and be a star!
Don't touch the piles. Everything is organized. Can you feel the difference? It's like it's singing!
You are a child to me, and I will punish you.
You do see these tusks, right? Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
Who I am, the Bazaar, is more than a city.
The Bazaar has many secrets. I will uncover them all.
Whatever century this may be, I shall protect it! You, a hero? Strange words from a villain!
The past has much to teach us. Oh dear, I've bored you with my theorizing, haven't I? Perhaps you should visit my young friend.
Space is my canvas, and time is my paint. I just want to share what I've seen, even a glimpse.
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
mind glows. I see everything.
You are by far my most gifted student. But some gifts can be curses.
I don't like guns. Blades makes it last longer. You gotta be with the Gorgons, slimy snakes.
The smaller the portions, the finer the food. You're a smart one for your size.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Alchemy is the pursuit of perfection. Today, for a moment, I have found it.